We're talking with Kim and Kerry from Nutritional Healing. These guys are doing some incredible things in changing lives through personalized nutrition plans. They actually get to the root cause of the disease and find out how each one of us is a little bit different. Our bodies are different, and they're helping people overcome so many different problems. Good morning, ladies. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
You bet. So one thing I think a lot of people don't think about, Kim, is how nutrition actually affects our brain health. There's a lot of memory disorders out there, Alzheimer's, and people don't think about what they're eating or nutrition and how that may actually affect our neurological health.
Absolutely. And I've just been fascinated with brain health since I started nutritional healing and how it connects with what we are eating and putting into our bodies. Because Alzheimer's disease is on the rise. It's 5.7 million Americans who suffer with this, and it's the 6th leading cause of death, killing more Americans than prostate and breast cancer combined. So it's a huge deal that's going on out there. And we see it all the time, and you kind of wonder, why do some people get diagnosed with this and why do others not? And we tend to look at the risk factors like age, gender, hereditary, toxicity, if there's a head injury, or if there's lifestyle. And at our office, we always say your genes load the gun, but your environment pulls the trigger. So we know that there is a lifestyle and a dietary component because they are now calling Alzheimer's disease type 3 diabetes. Yeah. So we think, there's something going on with our diets. So Kerry and I are here today to educate on some simple ways to be proactive about that and delay the onset, because there isn't a cure, but we can delay the onset.
Yeah, let's talk about some of the dietary tips.
Yes, there's a lot of different things that people can do, but we tried to break it down into 5 easy to remember steps so that people could try to do something right away and get started. So the very first thing that we want people to do is be eating more blue and purple foods. So specifically your berries, blackberries, blueberries, eggplant, red onion, red purple cabbage.
Which are all there right now,
yes.
and they're fantastic.
This is the perfect time of year.
Yeah, eggplant at the farmer's market is everywhere right now.
Yep, and 88% of us are currently deficient in the specific antioxidants that those color of foods provide, and those are specifically used for brain health. So really getting those colors in every day is going to be a great thing for your health. Now the second thing is going to be eating healthy fats. So, we like to think, or we had that in the 80s, the low-fat craze, and now people are seeming to be back on track with understanding that fats are actually good for you. Healthy fats feed your brain, so really aim for lots of omega-3s with your healthy plant oils, nuts and seeds, avocados, fish that's been raised correctly, and then avoiding trans fats and overly processed oils like canola or vegetable oil. Now the third thing, and Kim already mentioned this, is keeping your sugar under control. So like Kim mentioned, it's currently being called, Alzheimer's is currently being labeled as type 3 diabetes. And in fact, having type 2 diabetes doubles your risk of Alzheimer's regardless of any genetic predisposition you might have. So really, toning in and reducing the sugars you eat and your refined carbohydrates is probably the single greatest thing you can do to reduce your risk. The fourth thing is hydration, so drinking enough water. We are a chronically dehydrated society. We don't have enough water intake as a whole, so we want to make sure that you are drinking enough water because that really helps us prevent inflammation. It helps your body prevent the ability to hold toxins, and we store toxins in our body fat. Our brain is a fatty organ, so we think our brain should be spared from that, but it isn't. It can hold toxins as well. So drinking enough water is the fourth thing you can do to really help improve your brain health. And then the fifth thing is, this is obviously there's lots of health reasons to avoid processed food, but one of the specific chemicals produced during processing are called nitrosamines. And what they do, it's caused by high dry heat, and they use that when they make things that are really shelf stable. Cured meats are a big one, or anything that has non-fat dry milk in it. The chemicals that are produced are specifically linked to the specific plaque that is found with Alzheimer's patients. So avoiding processed foods, whole healthy foods with healthy fats and lots of bright colors, but especially your blue and purple, and drink your water.
And if you want to find out more information about this, you guys, can talk about this for forever.
Yeah.
But it just all ties together. It is, it just makes sense. Also, there's a special, you are offering a special to our Living with Amy viewers.
Yes, anyone who sees this segment today, I mentioned you saw us on Living with Amy. If you come in for a free consult, give us a call at 920 Healing. We'll give you $100 off your personalized program.
And even if the Alzheimer is, you're not concerned about that, but you just want to start feeling better. You want to get to the bottom of it. That's what you guys are all about. Really really getting to the root cause, and you're changing people's lives.
Right. We can do personalized programs, and we also have a free educational seminar next Tuesday, August 28th at the Appleton Public Library with the Alzheimer's Association.
Wonderful. So come on out, find out more, and you can find out more by going to their website. We've got a link to it, or give them a call. Nutritional Healing. Thanks, ladies.
Thank you, Amy.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.